Hello German learners and welcome back to my channel Dream Germany. Hope you are doing well. In the previous lesson you have learnt how many types of tenses in German. And in this lesson you will learn important tense for A1 German. So let's begin. Lektion 34. Noch einmal. Lektion 34. Das Präsens. The present tense. In German, the present tense is formed by attaching specific endings, est, t, n, to the verb stem, which changes depending on the subject. It describes current actions, habitual activities, or future plans. Formation of the present tense. Remove the infinite ending. All German verbs in their infinitive form end with en or n. Add the appropriate ending. Attach the appropriate ending to the stem based on the subject. Uses of present tense. Current actions. Similar to the English simple present and present continuous, the German present tense describes what is happening now. No ing form. German does not have a present continuous equivalent. Example. Ich koche. I cook. I am cooking. Future actions. Without a time marker, it can refer to an action that will happen in the future. Example. Ich fahre morgen nach Berlin. I am traveling to Berlin tomorrow. Habitual actions. It can also describe things that happen regularly. Beispiel. Er vergisst immer. He always forgets. Das Perfekt. The present perfect tense. In German at A1 level, the present perfect tense is formed with a conjugated auxiliary verb, haben, sein, in the present tense, followed by the past participle of the main verb. For regular verbs, the past participle is formed by adding the prefix ge- and the suffix t. For motion or change of state verbs, sein is used instead of haben. Formation. The basic structure of the German present perfect. Subject plus conjugated auxiliary verb plus remaining part and at the end past participle. Auxiliary verb. Haben is used for most verbs. Sein is used for verbs expressing motion or a change in state or condition. Examples of verbs using sein. Gehen, to go. Ich bin gegangen. I have gone. Kommen, to come. Er ist gekommen. He has come. Or you can say, he came. Fahren, to drive. Wir sind gefahren. We have driven, or we drove. Forming the past participle. Regular verbs. Add ge- at the beginning and t at the end. Beispiel. Lernen. To learn. Gelernt.
machen,
To make or do.
gemacht,
Verbs ending in
ihren,
do not add ge and t to the stem.
Beispiel, fotografieren,
To photograph.
fotografiert,
Now you will learn some sentence examples.
ich habe gelernt,
I have learned.
er ist nach Hause gegangen,
He has gone home.
wir sind in den Supermarkt gegangen,
We have gone to the supermarket.
sie hat das Buch gelesen,
She has read the book. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still have not. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below.